English quiz. Question 1. Which sentence is correct? The correct answer is B. She goes to work every day. Question 2. I saw elephant at the zoo. The answer is B. I saw an elephant at the zoo. Question 3. She is good dancing. The answer is C. She is good at dancing. Question 4. We usually eat dinner 7 o'clock. The correct answer is A. We usually eat dinner at 7 o'clock. Question 5. My house is than yours. The answer is D. My house is bigger than yours. Question 6. There. Some milk in the fridge. The answer is A. There is some milk in the fridge. Question 7. I've lived here 5 years. The answer is B. I've lived here for 5 years. Question 8. We to the movie theater last night. The answer is C. We went to the movie theater last night. Question 9. Which sentence is correct? The correct answer is C. I am interested in history. Question 10. She was tired. She went to bed early. The answer is C. She was tired, so she went to bed early. Question 11. Which sentence is correct? The answer is A. If it rains, we will stay inside. Question 12. My brother in London. The answer is B. My brother lives in London. Question 13. I'm looking forward you soon. The answer is D. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. Question 14. This is the man helped me. The answer is A. This is the man who helped me. Question 15. You ever been to London? The answer is C. Have you ever been to London? Question 16. I stayed home. It was raining. The answer is B. I stayed home because it was raining. Question 17. Which sentence is correct? The answer is D. He told me to wait here. Question 18. If I, rich, I would travel the world. The answer is C. If I were rich, I would travel the world. Question 19. We, dinner when the phone rang. The answer is C. We were having dinner when the phone rang. Question 20. Which word is in the superlative form? The answer is D. Best. Question 21. This is the house. I grew up. The answer is B. This is the house where I grew up. Question 22. I wish I more time to study. The answer is B. I wish I had more time to study. Question 23. Please, the lights before you leave the room. The answer is B. Please turn off the lights before you leave the room. Question 24. If she had studied harder, she, the test. The answer is C. If she had studied harder, she would have passed the test. Question 25. Which sentence is correct? The answer is B. There are fewer students this year. Question 26. He was tired, so he stopped TV and went to bed. The answer is B. He was tired, so he stopped watching TV and went to bed. Question 27. She studied hard. She didn't pass the exam. The answer is D. She studied hard, however she didn't pass the exam. Question 28. I regret so much money yesterday. The answer is C. I regret spending so much money yesterday. Question 29. The man car was stolen went to the police. The answer is A. The man whose car was stolen went to the police. Question 30. Which sentence is correct? The correct answer is B. I suggest that he go to the doctor.